Shiseido makeup is all about delivering weightless sensorial textures that deliver a bold impact of color or create these beautiful textures on the skin. So whether that's an eye product, whether that's a lip product, or whether that's a complexion product, you're always gonna get these weightless, beautiful products that feel and look like skin and are gonna deliver results when you want them. All of our complexion products are really the bridge between skincare and makeup. It's that hybrid product that listens and responds and adapts. The product that I think I'm most excited about is Synchro Skin Radiant Lifting Foundation, which is a beautiful, full coverage, luminous foundation that creates this sort of otherworldly glow. With light adjusting technology, we're adding optical ingredients that manipulate light and adjust so that you are creating this flawless, luminous finish that looks great in any light source. We're launching a new product that preps the skin, and it works really beautifully with the Synchro Skin Radiant Lifting Foundation. Synchro Skin Soft Blurring Primer is a great weightless product that visibly improves the appearance of fine lines, pores, and uneven texture. One of the products I'm most excited about in the collection is Aura Dew Illuminator. It's a great companion piece to our existing Aura Dew. It can certainly be used on its own. It's a really beautiful multi-use product that can be applied to the face, the eyes, and the lips, and it has a multi-dimensional pearl, so it creates this beautiful effect that just adds radiance to any makeup look that you're creating. Immediately when we see something that's radiant, we see something that feels warm and illuminated, we feel more beautiful, we feel more alive. So these products are a great way to add that feeling to any makeup look that you're creating.